Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a PDF into Google Sheet cells. First, make sure your PDF file is saved on your Google Drive. Go to your Google Drive, right-click on your PDF file, go to Share, and copy the link. Now, go back to your Google Sheets and insert your PDF file by right-clicking on the cell and selecting Insert Link. Paste your link in the box and hit Apply. Now you will see your link in the cell, and anyone can open the PDF from here. If you want to rename the link, just click on Edit Link, type in the new name, and press Apply. And that's it, guys. That's how to insert a PDF into Google Sheet cells.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.